Welcome back. So I am going to Van Cleef and Arpels. I thought, you know what, bring you guys along, check out if there's anything new in Van Cleef, because my Van Cleef wish list is never ending. Let me show you what I'm wearing because it's a beautiful autumn day here. So I am wearing, this jacket is from Goelia. I have been so into like neutral tones and chocolate brown, and I've worn this a lot. I got this, I think, early last year. I just love the braiding detail with a little bit of gold buttons. And then inside I'm wearing my Mim 2-in-1 singlet in chocolate brown. If you guys wanted to get this, this is going to be your final opportunity because they're discontinuing this color. The black and white will still be available, but the colors they're discontinuing in about 2 weeks. So I still have my code MIM20 to get 20% off, so I'll link it down below. And if my Goelia code is still active, I'll link it down below as well. And then I'm wearing these washable wool tweed shorts, and they're not exactly the matching pair to this, but it's the same fabric, so it goes really, really well. So love them. It's got the elastic waistband, and both of these pieces actually are one of their best sellers. The bag I'm carrying is my In the Loop 22 in a taupe. And yeah, earthy tones, it really goes. And then on my feet, I'm wearing my knee-high Viveya boots. These are so comfortable. They're like sock-like, low heel, but a bit of an architectural heel. So I like that about it. And they're just really, really comfortable. So that is my outfit. Oh yes, and I'm wearing my Frivole earrings. So love these since I'm going to Van Cleef. And that is my look. So I will vlog more when I get there. Okay, look at hubby. He matched me. He's wearing neutral tones as well.
It wasn't on purpose.
It was on purpose, wasn't it?
It actually wasn't.
So do you want to do a little outfit of the day?
Yes, I've got my Polo Ralph t-shirt, my Polo Ralph cardi, my Country Road pants, which are super comfortable. They're super stretchy.
Yes.
And my Aquila sneakers.
Your Aquila sneakers. I like it.
Oh, and I've got my Captain Willard Seiko watch too, which kind of goes with the top.
Oh yes, it's in the green. Nice.
So I'll vlog more when I get to Van Cleef, and that is what I'm wearing.
Yep. Okay guys, I want to show you some of the new Frivole pieces. Like this probably launched a couple of months ago, but this is new. So the Frivole pendant, they didn't used to have this. This is the small Frivole. They used to have the mini, you see that one there with all the pave. So this is in rose gold. It's going to be a bit hard to see. The lighting's not the best, but it's the small size in the mirrored finish in the rose gold. So that one's at a pretty good price point, so I think that will do well. And then this is also new, the in between the finger ring, which I really love as well. That in rose gold is new, and also this Frivole cluster ring with the whole combination of pave, rose gold, and diamonds. Now, I am going to try this because this is a stunner. Like this is very, very bling bling, but this is the Frivole bangle. Wow, that is a new piece as well. And I think my essay was saying to me that's 141,000 Australian dollars. These ones I've seen before. So this one here I've considered, not in the white gold, maybe more in the rose gold. And of course, just the stunning in between the finger ring in the full pave diamonds.
7-flower bangle set in 18 karat white gold with diamonds.
Wow. That's stunning, right? What do you think, Hubs?
Good with a t-shirt, that one.
Oh, okay. Yeah, of course. Just with a t-shirt, shorts, denim shorts.
And thongs.
And thongs, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, I didn't realize it was all diamonds underneath. It says all detail, it's fully pave. I like the difference in sizes, how there's all, you know, there's big, medium, small. It's probably not the best description, but you know what I mean.
Asymmetry in a field of wildflowers.
Yes, I like that. What he said. It actually looks better on than I thought. I mean, it's like a wow piece. So what James was saying was like, I love how everyone reacts when you turn it around, you do the little wrist roll, and it's like, oh, there's more. What do you guys think? It's definitely stunning, but not in, oh, well, it could be an everyday piece, but I probably wouldn't wear it as an everyday piece.
Probably not.
Stunning nonetheless. So this is the Frivole in between the finger ring. This is a close-up in the beautiful rose gold. You guys know how much I love the Frivole. I wear my earrings so much. As you saw, I wore them today. Do these come in rose gold in the big size as earrings? No. Maybe one day. Maybe. I think they would be super popular because I know that the larger size, which I have in the yellow gold, they always sell out of them. I never see them that
So
much.
this is your earrings, this one?
This is my earring. Excuse the thing. Yeah, but so that's the difference between gold and rose gold. Oops.
It's very subtle.
It's very subtle. Their rose gold is very pretty.
Very
See,
nice.
I reckon that would sell so well too. They should do that. And then a close-up for another new release, which is the Frivole 8-flower bouquet ring. And this is definitely a statement piece, but this is in the rose gold and the white gold pave.
What do you think of this one?
A bit too much for me. What do you think?
I tend to agree. I think it's a little bit too much on your finger.
I like the in-between the one, and it's a lot more wearable. Trying on these for the very first time. So these are the Lucky Alhambra earrings. So this is White Mother of Pearl and this is Tiger's Eye. So I never used to be a fan of butterflies, but these are cute. What do you guys think? First time I've tried this ring. This is the 2 butterfly in between the finger ring. Definitely was attracted to it because of the turquoise, and obviously there's a pave version. And they don't have it, but I wanted to try on the earrings. So it's supposed to be an asymmetrical look. So one side you've got the pave and then the other side you've got turquoise, but they've got different variations. Like with this stone, I think they have lapis and other precious stones as well. So that's what it looks like on me. It's quite cute. I think I would still prefer the earrings only because I'm more of an earring girl, but just to show you guys what it looks like on the hand.
Okay, what's this one?
So, I didn't even notice this, but did you know that the sweet Alhambra comes like in a little baby ring? It's quite cute.
It's very cute.
Now, I was eyeing the sweet necklace, the 16 motif necklace. It does come in rose gold, a plain rose hammered gold, and then also the pave in the white gold, and then the ring is the same, but they don't get that many of these. But if you want a more sort of like delicate ring, I think it's quite nice. I don't know if I would prefer the magic, or maybe I like the in between the finger, but did you know that they had this available?
It's very cute. All right. Oh, watches, beautiful.
Yes, hubby's here, so we're going to look at some very special watches. And this is from the Lady Arpels collection. And let's start off with the newest one, I guess. This is like 1 week old, isn't it?
So having launched at the Watches and Wonders event in Geneva last week, we have the newest edition of the Lady Arpels Jour et Nuit, which is the day and night. So one can see the sun set as time progresses, wherever you are in the world, will set and the moon will come out. And the sun will inevitably rise again. I could say carpe diem.
And this is Earth, right?
It is.
And that is in...
That's a guilloche finish enameled mother of pearl.
Beautiful.
And then also, if you look at the whole watch case is very blingy. It's like a whole pave diamond watch case. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And this is 32 millimeters with an alligator strap.
Which is interchangeable, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
you can actually, this can detach pretty easily. Whereas in this one, which James was saying was the previous year,
No, this was the original day.
this is the original day and night design. This one is 38 millimeters, so it still has the full casing in all diamonds. It's just a lot bigger, so if you have a look at it like this, you can see the difference. Also, the biggest difference is the earth is in white mother of pearl, and it's all
Miniature painted.
miniature painted.
Little
I like
lines
that. Oh yeah, can you see?
can be suggested to represent time zones, so if you have a loved one overseas, you've always got them with you on your wrist.
Oh, I like that. And then also the difference is the sun is not in guilloche. This one is in yellow sapphire. So when you turn, as the time goes by, you'll see, the sunset and the moon come up as well. So that's the little story of that one. And it looks quite pretty nice on the wrist, actually. So that is what it looks like on me. So my wrist is probably around 15.5 centimeters. Which one do you like more, Hubs?
I think I like
The original?
I
Or
like
this one?
the original one better. I like the mother of pearl.
The mother of pearl?
Yeah, in that white color.
Yeah.
But they're both beautiful. But this one's got the exhibition case back.
Oh, yes.
But the other one, the original one, doesn't. You can see the rotor there.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
With the
yeah.
stars on it.
That's right. And then this is a very, very special piece. What's this called?
So this one here is the Lady Arpels Eau Florale.
Wow.
This is the one that won the award at that GPHG a couple of years back.
Which was last year.
And hubby was saying this award is like the Oscars of watch awards, isn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
This is a very intricate watch. I have no idea how you would tell the time, though. How do you tell the time?
So this one here, it has been designed ergonomically so that one can see the minute
Ah.
on the side. So probably not as nice on me as it would be on Mel, but you can see
Oh, I
the
see,
minute
I see, yeah.
from the view of the beholder. And then to tell the hour, one must go through and count the individual flowers every time closing and then opening once we pass 12 o'clock in a different order.
Wow, that's
Amazing.
complicated.
Super complicated.
See
Maybe-
if I can show.
That's why I got the Innovation Award.
Yeah,
Right?
well, it's very, very cool.
I still... Oh, yeah, it closes. Oh, my gosh. I still don't get how to tell the time from that, or hour, or anything, but I love how the...
Wow.
That's so cool. We just learnt a new term. Did you know the petal of a flower is called
Corolla.
a corolla?
So here
Yeah.
you can see the number of flowers that are in full bloom. 1.
Oh,
Then
so
time
it's...
progresses. 1 closes.
And then
And
there's
there's
two.
1, 2.
Wow.
Oh, that's so cute.
That's so cool.
And here 3.
3.
That is so cool.
Oh, I get it.
Open in different orders, you were saying?
4.
4.
That's really cool.
That's so cool. And this one as well is all bling, all that. Oh,
the
it's
rotor at the back
got the
too.
rotor with the butterfly. I like this rotor better
Yeah.
than the other one. It's prettier. Very, very innovative indeed. Okay guys, I've just come out of Van Cleef, and yes, I did get a little something which I will reveal in another video. So I hope you enjoyed coming along with me. If you like my shopping vlogs, give it a thumbs up. Have a wonderful day or night guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!